All right, now that I have sliced my beef, I need to clean the slicer. So the first thing we always want to do is we want to take and we want to unplug our source. Okay, so now that the blade can't turn on and cut you, I mean, you could still get cut by it, but at least the power is released. So then I'm going to do this in opposite of the assembly. I'm going to unscrew my guard here. I'm going to pull that off, put it on a sheet tray because we're going to clean this over by the 3-compartment sink or the dish machine area. I'm going to unscrew these screws there. I'm going to pull off my blade, try to take any kind of meat residue off, okay? I'm going to then unscrew this, and it's very important that this piece here, the screw, we do not lose, okay? So I would suggest you just put that in a safe place. Okay, then you're going to pull this off, all right, and those parts are going to be ran through. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to shut my blade completely so I can't cut myself, hopefully. I have a green bucket with hot soapy water and a red bucket with sanitation solution. I'm obviously going to start just with my green bucket, and this is called a clean in place piece of equipment. We can't just move this up and pick it up and throw it. So it's a clean in place. So what we have to do is we have to bring our stuff to here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just removing some of my larger chunks of meat that were left over as I was slicing, okay? Just kind of trying to get a little of that initial grime off, okay? I'm going to take and put this on here. You want to be very careful not to actually touch the blade, meaning the edge. All right, so I'm kind of spinning this around as I wipe it, okay? I can then take a sponge and I can take and kind of now start to scrub this with some soapy water, making sure that I'm getting all that grime. And then after I'm done cleaning it, I would obviously then sanitize, right? So we would clean, rinse, sanitize, okay? So I'm not going to, sit here and have you watch me clean the whole thing, but you get the idea. You want to just make sure you get into every crevice and every spot, and make sure that you also do lift it up and wipe underneath it, okay? So that's how you clean your slicer.